Welcome to Flower Care Garden. You can help your red Anthurium grow strong, develop glossy leaves, and bloom all year long without using chemical fertilizers. In today's video, I'll share a simple, natural, and safe method for caring for Anthuriums at home. This approach helps the plant recover faster, build strong roots, maintain deep green leaves, and produce long-lasting blooms. If your Anthurium has green leaves but rarely blooms, or grows slowly despite regular care, this video is for you. With just a few simple steps done correctly, you will notice clear improvements in your plant. Let's get started and discover the power of natural Anthurium care together. Now, I will carefully inspect the entire red Anthurium plant to assess its current condition before moving on to the care steps. Upon closer inspection, I noticed that some flowers have dried out and a few leaves are torn, making the plant look less attractive and less vibrant. These parts no longer add decorative value, yet they still consume the plant's nutrients, slowing down the growth of healthier parts. If left untreated, dried flowers and torn leaves can also create favorable conditions for fungal and bacterial growth, affecting the plant's overall health. Therefore, at this step, I will carefully remove the dried flowers and torn leaves to improve air circulation and reduce the risk of disease. This is an important step that helps the Anthurium recover more effectively and prepare to absorb nutrients efficiently in the next care stages. Next, I will use 1 lemon to create a natural fertilizer for red Anthurium plants. Lemon is a common kitchen ingredient, but when used properly, it can offer surprising benefits for plant care. First, I peel the lemon and cut the peel into small pieces, as lemon peel contains natural essential oils, organic acids, and antioxidants. These components provide mild antibacterial effects, help clean the root environment, and reduce the risk of fungal issues in the growing medium. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to Love Flower Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and share our love for plants from all around the world. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in many other languages such as English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language in the video settings for a more comfortable viewing experience. After finishing the chopping, I place all the chopped lemon peels into a clean glass jar. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds together with the lemon peels, providing additional natural organic compounds beneficial for the plant. Then, I pour about 1 liter of boiling water into the jar to begin extracting the nutrients from the lemon peels and coffee grounds. The boiling water helps release the natural active compounds more quickly and effectively. I stir the mixture well and let it sit for about 30 minutes, allowing the water to cool and the nutrients to fully dissolve into the solution. During this time, the solution becomes gentler and safer for plant use. In the next care steps, I will prepare a completely natural plant care solution made from fresh lemon juice. I use 500 milliliters of room temperature water, then squeeze half a lemon and add the juice, stirring well to create a simple yet nutrient-rich mixture. This solution contains natural citric acid and vitamin C, which provide mild antibacterial effects, help clean the root environment, and improve nutrient absorption. It is especially suitable during the plant recovery stage or when the plant needs a boost in resistance to grow stronger. Step 1. I begin by cleaning the Anthurium leaves with a diluted lemon juice solution. I use a clean cotton pad, soak it in the solution, and gently wipe the entire leaf surface, including both the top and underside. Wiping the leaves with lemon juice provides multiple important benefits, improving both the plant's appearance and overall health. It helps remove dust, bacteria, and residue from the leaf surface, allowing the leaves to stay well ventilated. When the leaves are clean, the plant can absorb light more efficiently, enhancing photosynthesis and supporting healthy growth. Thanks to its mild acidity and natural antibacterial properties, lemon juice helps prevent the growth of mold and harmful bacteria on the leaves. This is especially important for indoor plants or in humid conditions. When wiped properly, Anthurium leaves become glossier and fresher, while reducing the risk of burned edges or yellow spots. These are signs that the plant is receiving proper care. This is a simple yet highly effective step, especially useful during the recovery stage or in humid weather, when plants are more vulnerable to disease. If you enjoy flower care garden, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep following more simple and effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. After soaking the lemon peel and coffee mixture for about 30 minutes, I take it out and stir it once more to fully dissolve all the nutrients. Next, I strain out all the solid residue, keeping only the clear liquid, which contains the extracted essence from the lemon peels and coffee. After straining, I add 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution, making it easier for the plant to absorb and safer for the roots when watering or soaking. This is a very beneficial natural mixture with mild antibacterial and antifungal effects from the lemon peel oils, while the compounds in coffee help stimulate root growth. Step 2. Spray the lemon juice solution onto the entire red Anthurium. After diluting the lemon peel and coffee solution, I pour it into a clean spray bottle and spray it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stem, and the top of the growing medium. Spraying this solution provides clear benefits for the Anthurium, especially when the plant is weak or in recovery. Citric acid in lemon juice has natural antibacterial properties, helping to prevent bacteria and fungi that cause leaf rot, black spots, or yellow spots. When sprayed evenly, the solution also cleans the leaf and stem surfaces, removing dust, thin fungal layers, and tiny insect eggs that are hard to see with the naked eye. With cleaner and healthier leaf surfaces, the plant can absorb nutrients more efficiently, while photosynthesis and gas exchange work more effectively. As a result, the Anthurium grows stronger and healthy, with fresher leaves and a lower risk of disease in humid conditions or indoor environments. This is a natural, safe, and effective care method, especially useful when the plant needs recovery after pruning or is going through a weak growth stage. Step 3. Water the solution over the entire plant substrate. After spraying the solution evenly onto the leaves and stem, I continue by watering the remaining solution directly onto the entire growing medium, where the Anthurium roots are developing. Watering with this solution allows the nutrients from lemon peels and coffee to penetrate deeply into the root zone, providing several important benefits. It helps clean the root environment, offers mild disinfection, and reduces the risk of fungal growth around the base. In addition, the solution supplies natural minerals that help stimulate stronger root growth and improve water and nutrient absorption, which is especially important during post-pruning recovery. With proper root nourishment, the Anthurium can recover faster, begin producing new shoots, and prepare for its next flowering cycle. After watering, I soak the base of the Anthurium in the solution for about 10 minutes, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients more efficiently. After soaking the Anthurium in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the plant out and let the excess liquid drain naturally. Step 4. Dry the remaining water on the leaves to protect the plant and effectively prevent diseases. I use a clean, soft, absorbent cloth to gently wipe the entire leaf surface, including both the top and underside, removing all remaining water after soaking and watering. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from collecting in leaf joints, significantly reducing the risk of mold, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid environments. When the leaves are dried, the plant can photosynthesize more easily and breathe more efficiently, supporting stronger and more stable growth. This step also helps prevent water from evaporating slowly and leaving behind unsightly white stains or spots on the leaf surface. After wiping, I place the plant in an area with indirect light and gentle airflow, allowing the leaves to air dry naturally and keeping the plant fresh, clean, and healthy. We've now completed the red Anthurium care routine using simple, natural, and plant-safe ingredients. With just a little time and patience, your plant can recover, grow healthier, and bloom beautifully again. Thank you for watching Flower Care Garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and effective plant care tips. See you in the next video.